Good morning, boys and girls. Today on Kidstir, we're going to do a couple of things for Valentine's Day, which is coming up. So the first thing we're going to do, you will get this little fruit cup and you're going to make this little ladybug. So I'm just going to show you the things that we have for it because this way you can make your own. You'll have your little fruit cup and Miss Libby has cutouts for you to make your own little antennas and your feet. You'll glue those on. And the little marks on there you can put on with a marker, or maybe if you have some construction paper at home you can make your own. You can do whatever because we like your creativity. So that was a pretty easy one to put together. The next one will have your cup with your M&Ms and your cupcake. And you will put your cupcake down in your ice cream cone. And it has icing on it, but if you would like more so you can decorate it to look more like Valentine's Day, you can just put more icing on top because you can never have too much icing.
No.
See, Miss Libby, she likes icing too.
Yep.
So we'll put that, you do it the way you want to do it. And then you can either put some sprinkles or I'm going to put M&Ms on top of mine. And then you can set it down in your little cup, which also you can put some M&Ms, so it kind of decorates it at the same time. And then you'll set it down in your cup, and that's a pretty easy one. So remember, if you all do anything and you want to send them to Miss Libby or I, you can send them to our emails at the library, and we will post pictures on our Facebook page and see what all you've done. We hope you enjoy your day. Everything will be ready for you Tuesday at 9:30 after we open, and the video will be on at 10 o'clock that morning. So you all have a good day.